me an immense pleasure to welcome you all for the India AI Impact Buildathon grand finale at this prestigious Bharat Mandapam.
The journey began with the pre-summit movement, the very first step in this initiative, where teams traveled to campuses across the country to engage students at the grassroots level and make them AI aware. HCL GUVI and India AI Impact Summit 2026 joined hands for one simple mission: democratize AI skills across India.
And so the movement began. From Punjab to Tamil Nadu, from Gujarat to Tripura, we covered 10 states, 22 cities, 48 colleges, and made 10,000 plus students AI ready. Industry experts, through practical workshops, helped students understand AI better. Students became AI aware and curious. But awareness is only the beginning. Now the real question was, how do you convert awareness into real AI building capability? That's where the idea was born. India AI Impact Buildathon.
With India AI Impact Summit, HCL Tech and HCL GUVI coming together, this idea became a national movement.
Over 40,000 participants, students and working professionals joined from 100 plus cities across the country. They were first trained in AI development, then challenged to solve national scale problems. They learned, they built. They competed for a 5 lakh rupees prize pool and, more importantly, for national recognition. From 15,000 plus teams, only the top 200 teams were selected for the grand finale at Bharat Mandapam.
We are nurturing the founders and the builders for the AI movement. We are just sowed the seeds of everyone taking forward their own step to make sure how they can contribute to the AI revolution of India.
Media and all is talking about the global leaders who are coming and the researchers who are coming and the political leaders who are coming. But the real power and the real strength of India is in all of you who are here to take part in such hackathons. And
so let the pitch round begin.
What it does, it takes your audio, it analyzes, it tells you why the voice is AI and why it is human.